Hey, it's Grasshopper again, coming to you this time with the Mage of the Ascension Tarot decks, Page of Dynamism. And pages are pretty common throughout the tarot cards that you can find on the market today. And with the pages, typically have younger individuals who don't really know what the heck they're doing. And in this case, you can see from card description itself that this guy is wearing all sorts of mismatched armor, and he's got one arm exposed. He's carrying a battle axe with that city behind him, standing in the ash heap of the dead. Right? He's rushing forward where fools fear to tread, but he's completely unprepared for whatever situation he's from. Well, he's not completely unprepared. He's unprepared. He's prepared in a haphazard fashion, as he has no real battle experience. He doesn't know that you need to have both of your arms covered with armor. He doesn't realize that all of that extra gear on the helmet, the wings there, is completely unnecessary and in fact probably contrary to being the most efficient design. He's got these tiny little spindly legs, indicating that he really hasn't been in battle very much, really hasn't worn armor all that much. And so what you have is inexperience leading to poor judgment. And in an intellectual pursuit, because again, the sharp pointing things, the dynamisms, are about intellectual pursuits. What you have here is somebody who doesn't know what he doesn't know. He doesn't have the experience to say, well, I should have known something about how to wear armor. Or I should have known something about how to prepare my axe beforehand. I shouldn't have brought a woodcutter's axe to a battlefield. Excuse me. And so you have all this haphazard thinking going on where you're really just learning how to figure out what it is you need to know. And yet you're still already in the thick of things. So it's very much a trial by fire, a learning by fire, sink or swim type experience. And we've reached the point where we're starting to talk about royalty cards. So this is a more significant experience than, say, the Ace of Dynamism, which is about beginnings. This is still about beginnings, but this time it's about beginnings where you're already involved in it. So just bear that in mind. It's more serious. It's more about, being immersed in the experience at the beginning, and yet not knowing what you don't know in order to make it through that experience. And that's it for the Page of Dynamism. See you on the next card. Hey, if you like this video, why don't you give a like down below? You can subscribe there on the left or hitting the subscribe button underneath. And if you want to get alerts, go ahead and click the little bell icon. Make sure that you get notified whenever new videos are posted. And hey, thank you.